Samsung's delayed Android 15 rollout is getting its first beta version of the One UI 7 this week, which will be available in select regions, including India. The company seems to have planned the official release along with the launch of the next Galaxy S flagship series, which explains the timeline for bringing the first beta version in December. Samsung is offering the One UI 7 update in Germany, Poland, Korea, the US, and India, among others, from December 5th. Samsung's pointed out that its upcoming Galaxy S series devices will get the official One UI 7 update with advanced AI features from the first quarter of 2025. The One UI 7 beta program is available if you have these Samsung models: the Samsung Galaxy S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. The post doesn't say if the FE version will also get it, but we don't see it happening for now. However, the company does assure that the update will gradually roll out to other Galaxy devices. In addition to the new AI tools, the One UI 7 seems to be getting a major UI overhaul. Samsung claims it's also enhancing the security layers of the devices with the Android 15 version. It has upgraded tools like Knox Matrix, depth protection, auto blocker, and more. Samsung phones will also have the power to block 2G networks, something that Google seems to have offered with the new version. Many people have talked about the delay from Samsung's end with the Android 15 update, but if the company can really show some promising changes, people might be happy to wait. It's funny to see Samsung share news about its update for the existing version, while Google has already moved on with its plans for Android 16 that will be releasing earlier than its cycle.